everyone, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? I hope you guys doing good. Yeah, so to this video guys, I'm just gonna share you the I received my July IPSY bag and I'm just gonna show you guys what I have inside this bag. Yes, so let's see what I have for this month IPSY bag, and I'm just gonna show you guys what I have. And this package it's gonna take a while to get here. It's just like, you know, I live in a different world before I get this. Joke, I'm just kidding. Yeah, so but it's take a while before I get this. It's like almost next month. It's almost August, but it's still July, so it's okay. So I'm just gonna show you guys. I just open it, right? Okay guys, so here you go. Ooh. So look at this one. So this is the bag that I got for July, and it's kind of summery. What summery? So it just look like, you know, it's a coconut tree on the front and the sunrise, and it's plastic. Yeah, it's plastic and it's really good. I like this. Oh, look at this one. I like this zipper. It have a plane on it. Oh, it's cute, right? So let's open it and let's see what's inside this bag. Alright, so here you go. It's look like this one is for tightening pearl clay mask. Okay, so here you go. This is a clay mask for my face, but I already have, I've been using my favorite mask clay for my face. If you guys want to check that out, I'm gonna put the link down below the description. This one is, I probably give it away. If it's open, I can smell it, but it's not. I'm not gonna open it. Okay, so it's closed, it's sealed, so I'm not gonna touch it. Okay guys, so let's move on to the next one.
Oh my god, my voice. I feel like I'm losing my voice.
Because last night guys, I have fun with my friend, you know, celebrating my birthday. Woohoo! Happy birthday to me. Yes guys, so I'm having my birthday. My birthday is coming up this month, July 31st. Oh my god, I'm getting old. If you guys want to know what my age, please comment below down the description. If you guys want to be a nosy, and I'll reply to you guys and tell you my age. Okay guys, so let's move on to the next product. We have here, it looks like an eyeshadow. I'm just gonna open up a little bit of this bag because I cannot read it. This one is a wise guy and gold mine. Okay. That's the color of this eyeshadow. Wise Guy and Gold Mine. Wow, where's all that name coming from? It's kind of a little goldish and dark something. I think I can use this for my eyes. Alright guys, this is very tiny also. You can just fit in your pouch, or you know, when you go somewhere, you can bring this. Yeah, it's very cute, I like it. Alright, so let's move to the third one, shall we? Shall we? Alright, so here you go. Here's the third one that I have. This one is Luna Liner. Luna Liner. Wow. Oh, okay. So this is water-resistant liquid liner. I could use this eyeliner last night that I went to the pool. Yeah, so guys, let me just open it and let's see what it looks like. I know it's probably gonna look like eyeliner, right? I am nosy. Take it out. Alright, so here you go. It's already have, it still have plastic on. I'm not gonna open it because, you know, you never know if I'm gonna use it or not. Okay guys, so here you go. It's kind of look thick when you hold it. That's good. So it's not that, you know, hard to use it. I hope so. I like it. Alright, so let's move on to the, I think this is gonna be a 4-item, right? Ooh. Okay guys, so this one is really tiny. It's very cute. So I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing it right. So this one is Siyat or Siyate? Sayote? Siyat or Siyate. Okay, so this one is Sayate London. Wow, Sayate London. This one is watermelon burst, okay? Hydrating lip oil. Yes, it sounds so cute, right? But look at this thing. It's really cute and I want to try it right now. Let's see, okay? Let me smell it for you guys. It's definitely smell like watermelon. I love watermelon, by the way. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells really good, guys. It's just like you eating real watermelon. Wow. I give this 10. 10 already, right? Right away. Right away. Alright, guys. So let's move on to the last product. Alright, so this one is also a lip one. A lip product. I like lip products. So, guys, it's have a cover right now. And I'll definitely rip this bag off and look what it's look like. I want to do that too. So, here you go. I am doing it right now. Let's this get naked. Wow. Get naked. Okay, guys, so here you go. This is really cute. So small that you can fit, purse or pouch. Like you can, take it with you when you go somewhere. Okay. So this one is Beauty for Real. Oh wow, Beauty for Real. Okay. And the color is okay. It's really red. It's really red. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. So here you go. So the name of the brand is Beauty for Real, yes, and the name of the lip cream is Really Red. Really red, guys. Can you see, guys? It's really red, right? Oh my god, yes, it's freaking red. It's freaking red. I say I like this lip cream, but I think I just put too much. As you can see, guys, I look like I got slapped right now. Yeah, so I'm gonna miss it when I'm gone. What? Me? I'm gone? No, I'm not. Let's move on. In this item that I have left is, I only buy this just additional, because I need some more lip balm that I can use every day. Yeah, so I'm just gonna show you guys what I got. This one is really good too. I just saw this when they sent me email about the product that they're going to send it to me. And look at this one. This one is raw sugar natural lip balm. Okay, so this one I can use this when I go to bed and when I go to work that I don't want to put lipstick on. So this one is raw coconut plus mango. I love mango and coconut. So let me just smell it. Okay. So it's yellow. It look like mango color. Yeah. So I'll definitely will use this because I really need a lip balm. It's really cute. I think this is $2 or $3, something like that. I forgot how much, but this is just additional product that I got for myself. So that's it. Okay, guys, so that's all the product inside this bag. If you guys not subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell. I love you all. Please be safe and goodbye, guys.